Create a new file. It doesn't matter what size the file is. Select the horizontal type tool. Pick a font and text color and type your text. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. You can now resize and move the text. Right-click on the text layer and select Rasterize Type. Select the rectangular marquee tool. Then select half of the text. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus J to cut the selected text in a new layer. Press Ctrl plus T. Right-click on the text and select Perspective. Move the anchor point in the upper right corner. Select the other text layer. Press Ctrl+T. Right-click on the text and select Perspective. Move the anchor point in the upper left corner. Zoom in to make sure the two parts of the text align perfectly. Add a color overlay to one of the text layers. Make this side of the text a little bit darker than the other side. Select both text layers and press Ctrl+T. You can now move and resize the text. And that's how you place a text in perspective.